Ayan, another day, another life as a Filipino teacher here in Thailand. Hello, mga kapanalo ng tinapay. Isa to sa mga trabaho namin, yan, pag nandito tayo sa Thailand. Isa sa mga trabaho natin yung mag-gate duty. So, since preschool lang naman kami, so ayan yung aking trabaho. Ako yung matabang nasa may lababo. So, sinasalubong namin ng mga bata and before they can enter the school premises, they have to wash their hands. Yes, you heard it correctly. They have to wash their hands before they can enter the school premises. Taray, ganun. So, syempre, may pasabon and patisyo dyan. And also, while I'm washing their hands, I have to speak in English. So, at least, dun pa lang nagsisimula na ang kanilang English as second language lesson. Ganun. Ayan. Tapos yung mga, anong tawag nito? Yung iba naman mga kasama kong Thai teacher, sila naman yung kumukuha ng bags. And then, after ko sila mahugasan ng kamay, then, yung mga Thai teachers na bahala to bring them to their classrooms. So, ayan. Yan yung mga ganyan mga trabaho natin. Pero nga lang, isa sa tinitaste natin dyan is yung init. Napakainit talaga dito sa Thailand compared when we went home. So, ayan. Pa-chill-chill lang tayo. Intay-intay lang tayo. So, as of now, kukonti.